That's nicely picked up. Worked on the onside. The first runs coming as far as the batters are.
Oh, he's tossed that over. And that'll be the first boundary in this innings, in this over as well. Wasting no time. KH Veera, beg your pardon. And he waited for that and picked that length up nicely. Oh, he goes up. There's a fielder who can probably take this. And that's a very good catch, running behind. Eyes on the ball. He never took his eye away. And what a beautiful catch. This is the first wicket goes down here for the Simhadri Vizag Lions.
Just trying to go over the top, but that's a really good catch. Excellent catch by Prashant. He had to cover some distance, running back over the shoulder, backpedaling. Those catches are never easy. Oh, not a great delivery, not a great delivery. There was some movement, but down the leg as well, and that's going to be a boundary. It's got to be.
Oh, this is the inside edge. Has it taken an edge? Yes, it has. Toshit, the youngster, finally gets redemption.
And yes, this is exactly what panned out. The ball just coming in, shipping in. Yeah, probably inside edge, and very nicely taken by the keeper on that occasion. It was an excellent effort by him. Diving in front as well. And Toshit.
This time tries to make room for himself. It's high up in the air. There's fielder coming underneath it and puts that down. Under lights. Toshit.
That's in the air. But in the gap as well. We'll just say, oh, what has he done there? What has he done there? And that's Toshit now.
Oh, he goes all out down the ground this time. He's hit it with perfection and has hit it really hard here. Oh, he smacks that in the gap. And that will also race away to the boundary. Fast and quick outfield here. Nicely done from Sandeep. He's charged.
Cries of catch, and it's been taken. Sandeep trying to force the issue, finds the fielder at mid-on, and he'll have to depart. And look at the elation on the bowler's face as well. Toshit strikes his second. Things falling apart at the moment for the Simhadri Vizag Lions. Tried to go hard at this one, found the fielder, didn't get the elevation. And very nice. Six. Through him! He's bowled all over. Ricky Bui has to walk back, and this man strikes. As soon as he's been summoned to bowl, Saurabh, just as you were saying, Ashok, sir, what a fine bowler he's been, and Saurabh strikes, sent to the dugout.
Early days, he went after him. Very, very. But there it is. Went for a big hike for first boundary. Dhanush opens his account with this boundary. Slog swept through mid-wicket on young shoulders. That's up in the air, and he picks up wicket number 3. Wickets are falling like 9 pins as far as Vizag Lions are concerned. It was not a short length delivery. Tried to rock back, and Dhanush fielder, who made no mistake.
Half the side back in the dugout, inside 50. Another wicket goes here, and Toshit.
And of course, under 19, 2 players from each team, mandatory. So we are encouraging youth in every way. So,
right.
Yeah.
We have a wicket here for now. The chat continues. But
That's coming. A nice shot, and Datta Reddy was waiting to take that. Safe hands there
Take
from
more players, and they've also come forward and invested in quite a few youngsters. And I think it's paying.
These bowlers.
Oh, that is it. Just like you spoke about, stick to your guns, stay consistent, and he's done that. He dropped a catch, remember.
They won't like this because it's a set Abhishek that will have to return to the pivot.
Oh, it's up in the air, fielder coming under it. Oh, he dropped the sitter.
Goes for the big one. That's a lovely strike. That's a massive strike. A clean strike as well. And that's the first 6 of this innings. Coming in the 16th over.
At 6. That is what they need. They need few more. Put some kind of a pressure. Or Tunga Bhadra Warriors batting lineup. Oh, up in the air, fielder under it. Will it take it? Yes. Wicket number 8 goes down. Change of pace by Stephen. And went for a big hit, Ajay.
Going for the big one. Change of pace as well. Went high up in the air, and Shashikant, well, he's a safe pair of hands. He's safe as a house, making no mistake out there. Oh, will be runs here. That's going to be a boundary, a much needed boundary as well. A faint tickle, but they all count in the book.
That's nicely bowled, very well bowled, and cleaned him up. Yorked him. There he is. His way.
Yeah, almost the Yorker inside edge onto the stumps as well. Oh, that's up in the air as well. That should be taken. That should be taken. Oh, what has he done there? Dear, oh dear, that was the simplest of chances.
Disappointed. That's nicely played. Another single. After 20 overs, Vizag Lions finished with 109.
11 for Sandeep Kumar, 22 for T. Vijay. The three batters in double figures, and that was the worrying fact. Ricky Boy.
4 overs, 21 for 3. Sasikant bowled magnificently. 4 overs, 31 for 1. Kumar Saurav, we know what he can do. 4 overs, 16 for 1, and they complement.
Is the call. Short and wide, put away protection in the deep. First runs on the board here. The chase is up and running for the Tungabhadra Warriors.
Deep point, and this time neatly taken. First wicket down here for the Tungabhadra Warriors. They've got us
Playing that on the up. Samanyu. Nice low catch taken. Held his shape, the fielder.
lovely shot here. Mahib, the captain, showing his class. Stayed beside.
That's high. And it's over the fielders and mid-on, mid-off, and they'll race away for a 4.
This low score. Nice shot there. Crisp sound. The captain looking in. Ominous touch. A 4 to end the over. 23.
What a shot. That's the shot of the evening. Backing himself. Gives the charge. This is high. And that's over long on as well. The fielder turns spectator. I'm not too sure if this move has worked.
And for GMR, 6 of the match. Stepping out, covering the line. No spin really. And easy. That's a front press that you want to copy and paste into his arc. And once again, room offered and gleefully accepted there by the captain. 2 bound.
Ranjit in his second over. Just tapped on the leg side. That's wonderful timing off the bat. And will find the boundary. It's the last and final over in the... Strikes once again. This looks big. And it is a GMR 6 of the match. A really big maximum. He started off this innings in a hot manner, and what a shot it's in.
He's batting at a strike rate of exactly 200 at the moment, the skipper. Last over the power play. Once again, pulls it in the gap. That's going to be a boundary as well. He's wasting no time. He's in a hurry at the moment.
The field positioning does matter. Does it? No, it doesn't. This is X-strike. He tries to go for it, and a fantastic catch. Has he put down? Has he put that down? Oh, good decision. Oh, he smacked that. Smacked that on the leg side, and a 6. The fielder will only watch it sail over him. This is fantastic batting here from Manganeshwar as well.
And clearing it with a lot of ease as well. There's a fielder there, but he was a mere spectator. Was waiting, but then Vision 25. Once again over the mid-off area. Another 6. Discarding it beautifully at the moment. Raining 6s here in Vizag.
Yeah, at 2-1, he got all the time he required. Just had to time it with all the strength behind that bat. And he does that with...
Big one here. And he does on the onside in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4. Racing away. Another boundary to end the over. 9 overs done, 87 for 1. I like that. Easy peasy. Oh, that's gone. That's castled. And finally this partnership has been broken here. T. Vijay, he strikes. Ganeshwar trying a fan looking good. Trying to improvise as well. Missing it completely. And striking timber, the off spinner T. Vijay.
Now. Excellent shot. Mahib really marching on here. Marching on to 49 now. The skipper.
From his 50. That's 90. He completes his 50. Wonderful, well played 50 by the skipper. I know it was not a big total, But sometimes low scores can challenge you. But wonderfully played by Mahi for his fifth.
Excellent knock, as you said, Paji, and it's so important that the
Very manfully. Oh, up in the air, up in the air. One bounce four. Slog swept by Prashant. Seems to be a guy who is a good striker of the ball.
last delivery. Why he has this prowess. Again, ball up in the air, but this time, long on, doesn't make an error. Dhanush there. He's been a live wire in the field this time, taking a neat, smart catch. Third wicket down.
He went for another big one. Did not time it. And who was under the ball? Dhanush, who has been live wire. Absolutely right. There it is. He comes and delivers. He's a big striker of the ball. He's quite an explosive batter. Shashikant.
Cute groundwork. Like this, the captain here, Mahib, making mincemeat of this total. It's game, set and match, Tungabhadra Warriors.
What a hit. Wonderful GMR 6 by Mahib. He's taken them to cleaners. They won one at hands.
The Vizag Lions, when this is the winning moment, fired on the leg stump and easy pickings there for the captain Mahib.
By Ganeshwar, 57 to Mahib Kumar, and then Shashikant came and delivered it. Maximum 6. Mahib Kumar was pick of the batters, although
Defend. Ajay Kumar tried with his outswingers, gave 15 runs for no wicket. Ranjit taking 1 wicket for 25 runs. Vijay taking 2 for 27.
Vizag Lions bowled out for 109, except for 40 by Abhishek, but wonderful bowling by Toshik. And then Tungabhadra Warriors, 114 for 3. They won by